students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really well. So students, today we are going to start chapter name sentences, simple, compound and complex, which I've already studied about this, or we get a small knowledge about this thing in our previous chapter. Okay, now let's study this chapter and find out what is there in this chapter. Okay, study the following sentence. His courage won him honor. The moon was bright and cool, and a cool breeze was blowing. The moon was bright and a cool breeze was blowing. When they were tired, they sat under a tree. The first sentence has only one subject and one predicate. In other words, it has only one clause. In such a sentence is called a simple sentence. Okay. So these sentences are called simple sentences. Now a simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate, so it has only one finite verb. Okay. Now his courage is a subject, won is a finite verb, and him honor is a predicate. So this is how we differentiate this simple sentences into three parts. Okay, now the second sentence consists of two parts. The moon was bright. It's a complete sentence, is giving you a proper sense. Okay, and a cool breeze blowing. We use and for connecting these two sentences together. So it's a conjunction, and a cool breeze was blowing. It's a subordinate clause, swallowing the first one. These two parts are joined with the coordinating conjunction, and each part contains a subject and a predicate and has a complete meaning. So the first part is the main or principal clause, or the second part, which is joined with end, is a coordinate clause, or they together form a compound sentence. Okay. Now a compound sentence is one that is made up of one principal or main clause and one more coordinate clause or subordinate clauses. Okay. Now the third sentence consists of two parts. When they were tired, they sat under a tree. Each part contains a subject and a predicate, so each part is a clause. The second clause, they sat under a tree, make good sense by itself and hence can stand by itself as a sentence. So it is a principal or main clause. The first clause, when they were tired, cannot stand by itself and its meaning is not complete. It is depend on the second clause for the completing meaning, for complete meaning. Therefore, it is subordinate clause. It means the sentence starts like, when they were tired and they sat under a tree. They sat under a tree is giving you a full proper sense, but when they are tired, it's not a complete sentence, or it's not giving you a complete sense. So that's why this particular sentence is depend on the another one. That is why this is called subordinate clause, but they sat under a tree is giving a proper sense, so that is why they are called main clause or principal clause. Okay, and they both connect together by a conjunction and. Now a complex sentence consists of one principal main clause and one more subordinate clause. Remember, a coordinate clause is connected with the principal main clause with a coordinating conjunction, while subordinate clause is connected with the subordinating conjunction. Okay. Now assessment zone. Tell which of the following sentences are compound and which are complex. Write the kind of each sentence in the space provided. Number 1. The horse reared and the rider was thrown. It's a compound sentence. Okay, it's a compound sentence. Number 2. I called him when I was in Delhi. I called him. Okay, when is a conjunction here. I was in Delhi. I was in Delhi. It's giving you a proper sense. I called him. It's giving you a proper sense, and both the sentence connected with when conjunction. So this is a complex sentence. Okay, it's a complex sentence. So it consists of one principal, one main clause, or one subordinate clause. Like, I was in Delhi when he called me, so I called him when I was in Delhi. It's a complex sentence. So this is how you come to know which one is complex and which one is compound. Read the sentence carefully, find out which one is compound and which one is complex, and write down in the given space. Okay, now moving to next. Match the clause in the column A with those in column B and connect with them the given conjunction to make meaningful compound sentences. Number 1, column A. Number 1, he threw the stone. Coordinating conjunctions a and, or, but, nor. Column B, reward him, deserve it, it missed the dog, has become a criminal, I am wrong, he arrived in time. So he threw the stone, but we connected with a conjunction but. It missed the dog, column B. It missed the dog, column B. Okay, this is how you will connect all these with the column A. Connect column A with column B with coordinating conjunctions and make it a meaningful sentence. Now, number C, underline the principal clause in each of the following sentence. I will help you if you come to me. Okay, I will help you if you come to me. So, come to me, you come to me, or I will help you. Which one is the principal clause? Underline on it. Okay, number 2, I am angry with him as he disobeyed me. I am angry with him as he disobeyed me. So, he disobeyed me is giving you a proper sense, that is why he is angry with him. So, we will underline this principal clause, he disobeyed me. Okay, this is how you will find out the principal clause. Read the sentences carefully and find out which one is the principal clause. Principal clause is that particular sentence which give you support the first sentence, which support the first main clause or the subordinate clause. Okay, so now read out the sentences carefully and find out which one is the principal clause, and hopefully you understand the chapter very well. Now do the pending exercise at your own.